3 reasons your business needs mobile device management. Number 1. Security. If a device is lost or stolen, MDM enables you to do a remote device lock or data wipe, so having the device fall into someone else's hands won't put your business at further risk. Number 2. Ease of use. Consistency is important in growing deployments. However, a lot of companies don't take the same steps with phones and tablets, so MDM comes in handy to enable companies to offer the same level of consistency for the entire staff. Number 3. Cost reduction. In a less structured scenario, employees may purchase, download, and install apps as they need them, and in some cases, companies might have multiple employees sharing a single Apple ID for app purchases. However, if one employee leaves, apps and their licenses often leave with them. MDM not only enables you to deploy software to a device, but if you lose an employee, licenses that the former employee used can be revoked and reallocated to a new employee. For more information on mobile device management for your business, click the link in this post.